Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Dogecoin, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction, latest price update of a Dogecoin. What's the price update? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, I request all of you to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Dogecoin. The live and latest price of Dogecoin in the market is about 0.245472 USD dollar. That is the right now price of a Dogecoin. Furthermore, guys, if you talk about the changes, so you can see your guys last 1 week changes is positive, last 1 hour changes is positive. Only the last one day, I mean the last 24 hours from yesterday, the Dogecoin price decreased, the Dogecoin price dumps. But don't worry guys, now if we study the latest chart of a Dogecoin, so now in the latest situation, in the last 60-minute update, the price again in the pumping mode, guys. So that's why I'm feeling satisfied, and I believe guys that they will continue this jump for a long time, guys. They will continue this jump for a long time. Anyways, furthermore, positive 1.4% changes. The changes is positive, guys, so that's mean that you're in the profit, guys. Anyways, guys, tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about Dogecoin? Good or bad? I'm feeling good. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.